I spent 5 hours watching lectures last week and took 0 notes. These AI tools did it for me while I actually paid attention. So I tried every AI note-taker out there. Some are garbage. 3 are incredible. Let me show you the ones that actually work. Tool number 1 is Otter AI. This one changed my life. You paste any YouTube lecture link or record your live class. It transcribes everything the professor says, then organizes it into actual notes with headers and bullet points. I used this for my econ lecture yesterday. 45-minute video. Got back 3 pages of clean, organized notes in 2 minutes for free. The free version gives you 300 minutes per month. That is like 10 lectures, more than enough for most students. Tool number 2 is Tactic. This one is perfect for YouTube videos. It is a Chrome extension. You install it once. Then every time you watch a YouTube video, it automatically generates a summary and timestamps. So I watched this hour-long biology lecture. Tactic gave me the key points with exact timestamps. When the professor talked about mitosis at minute 32, it is right there in my notes. Saves so much time when reviewing before exams. You can jump straight to the parts you need. Also completely free. No limits on the free version. Just install and forget about it. Tool number 3 is Notion AI. Hear me out on this one. You probably already use Notion for notes, right? Now they have AI built in. You can dump your messy lecture recordings or video transcripts and ask it to organize everything. I had recordings from 3 different lectures about the same topic. Asked Notion AI to combine them and remove duplicates. Got 1 clean study guide in 30 seconds. The AI features cost $10 a month. But if you already pay for Notion anyway, totally worth it. Quick comparison. Otter AI is best for live lectures and long videos. Tactic is perfect for YouTube study videos. Notion AI is great if you need to organize notes from multiple sources. All 3 work together actually. I use Otter for my in-person classes, Tactic for YouTube videos I watch, and Notion AI to organize everything into one place. Real talk though, these tools are insane but they are not perfect. Always review the notes after. Sometimes they miss important details or get technical terms wrong. Use them to save time, not to skip learning completely. Here is what I do now. During lecture, I actually listen instead of writing frantically. Let the AI handle the notes. Then I review and add my own thoughts after class. Way more effective. So pick whichever tool fits what you need. Install it today. Try it on your next lecture. See how much time you save. Comment which one you are trying first. I am curious what works best for different subjects. Hit subscribe if you want more tools that make studying easier. Real stuff that I actually use. Stop taking bad notes. Let AI do the boring part.